everyone, happy Sunday. Tiffany here, welcome back to my channel, and today's video we are going to do an unboxing. So it's a quiet Sunday here, we're just in our comfy clothes hanging out. I got home from grandma's and we have this box here waiting for us, and I just wanted to open it up right away and see what we got, what kind of goodies we got. So this is a GM general merchandise lot. And it was retail, well, not retail, the price of this lot was $139, but I did have a 10% off coupon, and it was free shipping. And after the coupon and the discount, I think it was around $125. So let's go ahead and open it up and get started. I do have a little helper here, so if you see him or hear him, he is my little partner in crime here. Alright, so let's see. The first thing we have here is a box. So it looks like a lot of this stuff is Amazon returns. This says a fairy patio umbrella table. That sounds interesting. Sounds like it might be for... That's not what I was expecting at all. So, looks like here is some... like a battery pack lighting. So I'm not exactly sure what it is. I might have to look it up. It's got a remote and a bunch of little lights. I think they're lights anyway. We'll have to put some batteries in it and see what it does. And there's some zip ties in here and some instructions. I'm probably not going to be able to get that back in there the right way. That's totally interesting. Does not sound like what it says. Patio umbrella lights. So I think what it is, I don't know why it's fairy, maybe it's just a brand. I think you put the lights along the inside of your umbrella to make it pretty. That was what you were going to say? Wow. Okay, this is, oh, okay. This is a Gimto professional waterproof watch, a wristwatch. So this is what we see. And there's a little screwdriver in it, and it is in a plastic, so we'll take the plastic off. Fancy looking. You can see it later. So we'll put all this stuff back in the box, we'll put it back together later. And then we have some mini binoculars. I don't think I'm going to pull them out all the way, because I believe that's what they are. So this is the medium size box from the company. This looks like, well, it says it's Packers, but it's definitely not Packers. Because it's the 49ers, and it's got Groot, and I'm not really sure what it is. Oh, it's a sweatshirt. So this is a 49ers hoodie, and it looks like it's in size large, extra large. And then we have a handy stitch sewing as seen on TV handheld kind of sewing machine. That's pretty cool. Ooh. This looks to be jewelry. A 70th birthday cuff bracelet for women. It is in a pretty cloth bag, so I'm not going to open that up right away, because I don't know how much battery life I have left. This is a Perfect Cover BB cream. Sunscreen 42. Trying to pull this off here so I can see the expiration date. And the baby's up. I can't see the expiration date. She would wake up, wouldn't she? So a lot of these have stickies that say what they are. This looks to be like one of those neck mask scarves in like a blue camouflage. This is also jewelry. It says rings of something. Oh, this is a bunch of rings. So they're not high quality or anything like that, but they look like they say knuckle rings. So different sizes, very pretty. Costume jewelry. These are some wireless earbuds, and these are V-Tool. I don't know the brand, and I don't know how much any of this stuff will retail for, as I am not able to look up prices on anything right now, and I'm also unable to figure out how to open this box. Okay, here we go. So I'm just going to look at them real quick to see if they look like they've been used. Considering the fact that I can barely get them out of here, they probably haven't. I don't think they have. I think they are brand new. So that's very good. No. And then we have a smart 8-port USB charger. This looks very fancy, like something I don't know, we might be able to use here. So it has a screen and it tells you like the levels, compatible with iOS, Android, and Windows smartphones and tablets. So I don't know if it's something you plug into the wall or if it's like a travel charger. I'll have to do some more research, but that's definitely very cool. And then this is a stainless steel watch, men's watch. Ooh, that's pretty. This one, you can't see the brand name because the little hand is covering it, but very, very pretty. It's like a navy blue, a metal magnetic band. Looks like there's quite a bit of jewelry in here. Ooh, a SIM card, a regular SIM card, a SD card, 16 gig. This is sealed. Ha! It's a nose and ear trimmer. So this is just an off-brand anagram. So something like that. Then magnetic lashes. That's interesting. So I do have magnetic eyeliner that came in a while ago that might go well with that. This is more jewelry. I think they're hoops, so let's pull it open. Oh, it's a ring. I'm sorry, it's a ring. So this looks like, it's very pretty. This looks like it could go for like an engagement ring. It's size 9. It's probably not likely real. Let me see if the sticker says anything. No, it doesn't say anything like that. So that would be a good jewelry. More jewelry. So it looks like there's a lot of costume type jewelry in here. Ooh, these are pretty too. So this is like an earring earring ring set, and they're hearts. Can you guys see that? I don't know how well it's showing in the camera. Very, very pretty. Jacob thought it was pretty too. So these don't say like what type of metal or anything they are. A lot of these are from China. We have an LED night light. So let's see if we can open it up. This actually says it's a 6-pack. So let's see if this is true here. It is! Okay, so Daddy's addicted to night lights. So I got a funny feeling he's going to want to keep these, because it looks like they also have remotes and stickies that you can put them on. This is going to be fantastic. Yep, I'm sure Daddy's going to want to keep these. So they plug in with the USB cord. The problem with that is I think that's how you charge them. There's no cord in here that I can see. So I think you just use a regular cord to charge them, and then you could just stick them wherever until the batteries die. That's very, very cool. I like that. This, oh man, I'm excited because I just learned about these from Catherine Manning, and so it's a smart LED light bulb, and it's Bluetooth, and you can hook it up to your phone. So if you want to like dim the lights in your room with your phone, you can. I don't know if it changes colors or anything like that. 16 colors you can turn this. Scheduled sunrise program. You can make it say sunrise. Music sync dances to music when synced with app. This is the fanciest light bulb I ever even knew of.
That's the fanciest light bulb I ever seen.
There's 2 of them! Wow!
Wowzer.
Alright, let's pull this out. Hopefully our battery is not going to die. 2 of them! Wow. I have no idea how much something like this goes for. Like I said, I just knew that the other day that those existed. And then we have a non-contact infrared forehead thermometer. We got one of these this year for Stella. More jewelry. This is Jane R. Gold chain teardrop earrings. Oh, it's in a pretty, this is like almost like a Tiffany blue. Maybe. So it says fashion earrings. I was kind of expecting them to be a little bit fancier, but they're still cute. So, and they come with like a lot of extra backs actually. So we're just gonna stick that back in here. We'll get it all fancy later. This is more jewelry. These look like they don't say what they are. So I think, if I'm looking at this right, but I could be wrong, so it's got like a stud and then a loop. So I think this is one of those earrings that you put in your ear and then you hook it on the top. But it doesn't have an earring back. I know that you can get earring backs at the stores, so either I can pair and take a extra earring back out of that one that had like 50 extra, or I could just buy some at the store. Hand me something. Little helper. Alright, so then this, I don't know what it is. It is taped. No, the tape's cut. So let's open it up. Sounds like maybe the baby went back to sleep. This looks like it might be a fancy phone case. It is a fancy phone case, but I'm not sure what type of phone. I think it's got like a glass protector too. Very pretty red. I have no idea what kind of phone it's for. It does not say. So we'll have to do some research on that. So this is a CD slot car mount. I think it's like a hold your phone for when you're driving. And you put it where the CD player goes, I guess. Yeah, if you don't want to use your CD player anymore. I know most CD players are not really used in vehicles because everybody's using their Bluetooth and stuff like that. This box is kind of opened, as you see. I think they're glasses of some sort. Pastel? So the tag's torn off of them. So this might have been a return, but it's still in the bag. These look like kind of like bifocals almost. I don't know. They're from Amazon. If I had to guess, no, I think these might be like reading glasses with like the bottom part like a, what do they call those glasses? Bifocals? Because it says plus 150 underneath the sticker here, so I might have to peel this sticker off to get a little bit more research. At first I thought they might be blue light glasses, but I don't think blue light glasses have any type of strength to their lenses, so I don't think that that's what that is. And then we have, this is, the top part's open. I don't know if it's been used. This is a facial hair trimmer. So we can probably tell pretty easily just by looking at it if it's been used, if we see any hairs. I don't see any hairs. I also don't know how to turn it on. So it looks like it might take batteries. Here's on-off button and it doesn't turn on. So I'll have to look at the instructions and hi, Daddy found, and see what it works. Almost done. A couple block items. Oops, there's boxes underneath here. This is exactly what we just said Daddy's truck needed yesterday. So this is a USB carport thing you plug in your lighter and you put your phone in it, charges it. So we'll probably be keeping this for Dad's truck.
Excuse me.
Okay, get your fingers out of there. This looks like a toy. This is a toy. It is a flying horse. A flying horse. Some more wireless earbuds. True wireless. Let's pull these ones up, see if it looks like they have been used. Oh, the tape is still sealed on these, so we're not going to open those. And this, I don't know what this is. Let's see. It says it's a webcam, but looks, I don't know if it's used or not, because the cord is still tied really cute, like it would be if it hadn't been used. So we might have to test this and see if it works. These are just off-brand, no unbranded items that you could find on Amazon. And this looks like a fancy button-up. It says it's a floral dress shirt, casual buttons down. It's a double XL. Too Fandy is the brand. I'm not going to pull it out. I don't know if men's or women's, but I feel like it. Oh, it does say men's. I'm sorry. It's right there. Men's shirt. This is Yes Fashion. Oh, this one I might actually have to take out. It's a large, whatever it is. Brown. Looks like a cute long sleeve shirt. I'm not a large. I would need like a small or a medium, so I probably won't keep this. So maybe I'll sell it on Posh. Get it back in the bag so it doesn't get all gross. Some more i12 wireless headphones. This is completely sealed, so we know these ones are not used. And the last item is a Philadelphia Eagles. And it is a hoodie. And it's a large. Alright guys, the box is empty, so at the end of the video, I'll put an item total, a per price cost per item for my cost of goods, and if I have time to look up some of the items, maybe I will put some comps, and we'll see it in what's sold. Alright, thanks guys, I'll see you next time. Bye.